back to Julian's garden. So today I'm not going to do any digging, planting or repotting or show you any skill to do anything today. I just kind of fun and relaxing today for me anyway. And so I got a box of hellebores, beautiful different type of hellebores. Now last year I did order 19 varieties of hellebores last year, and I got 20 plants because I think one variety I ordered 2 plants. And this year I think I can order maybe I don't remember now, maybe 20 or 22 variety this year. So totally I got over 40 varieties of the hellebores, and plus I got some other varieties that I got sometime I pick up from Bunnings and other places as well. So I'm so excited, and the box all the plants just arrived, so I'm going to show you what the plant look like, and yeah, you can have a look at the box. And also I did some shopping. I went shopping in Bunnings the other day, and of course I love roses, and I shopped some roses. And yeah, so this time I kept aiming for the different type of color of roses and for scented roses as well. So yes, the first one. Let's look at the rose first. This rose is called Mother Love. It's very new to me. I think this variety they released I don't know how many years, but they're not new. They're not recently released, but it's new to me. And they say this variety have a quite strong fragrance as well. So I'm really excited about this. And they say that we can go to 1 meter high and 90 centimeter width, but I doubt about that. See, everything I grow in my garden, and they grow over much bigger. So that is the first one, and they say beautiful fragrance, so I really love it. And the second one, this one is Mother Joy. I think because the Mother Day is coming, so that's why they kind of in stock a lot of like boxing gifts like this, and with the name of the roses. So I make it the people buy it or gifting them, make it very meaningful. And so this one is Mother Joy, and I have to say really love the scent of the rose. So when me and my friends saw it, and we just stand next to it, and the beautiful scent. Let me show you. Look at that. And I really love the tight petal. Now this one opened I think 4 or 5 days already, and still beautiful. And I really love the thing. Can you see that the white thing in here? I don't know what is it. That white throat sticking out in there. I really love it. So I'm so excited about this. And this one, they say how big you're gonna go. 1.2, 1.25 centimeter high and 1 meter wide. So yeah, so now I have to find the room to put this rose. And here's the next one. This one, I bought 2 actually. This is a smaller size and only $13. I'm not advertising for anything or any company here today, okay? So this one is called Love Potion. I really love the kite name. Deep purple and the flower kite relaxing. And this one they say have quite high fragrance as well. But I don't think this rose will be the bloom not they won't be fragrant as the other one I just show you. And another one that this is a tiny little one. Let me show you this tiny little plant, and this one only $8. I said why not to get one little one, and it's very cute. I really love the white and the pink color kite blend together. It's look very cute in little pot as well. So yeah, at least it can stay in this little pot quite a few years, maybe 2 or 3 years at least. And let's look at the box of the hellebores. Now it only just arrived, so I just put it out here so I can open it, and you can see it clearly. I will show you maybe the catalog later, because I don't think they will send me the picture of the flower though, because normally they just put the name and the tags on. I don't think I will have the picture, so maybe I have to open the catalog of the company so you can see it. Let me just cut the box out. Alright, so the plants should be very small. But don't worry, they won't bloom this year, but they will bloom next year. Okay. I hope you can see clearly, and I hope that I'm aiming the camera correctly so you can see. The plant quite small, but very healthy. Can you see this? Very healthy. On the name here, you can see that on the name here, but because I don't have a picture, so I will show you the catalogs. Okay, I just counted it 20, so kind of like 20 different variety, and you can see it's very healthy, and I can feel it, the soil quite moist. Now they packed few days ago, I think 4 days ago, and today they arrived and still very in good condition. I think because at the moment the weather is not too hot, so keep the plants very happy. And the nursery normally they choose the time very wisely to send to the clients, because they not open. I mean the nursery not open to send or to sell the plant in the summer, because at that time too hot and it's not quite a good time to plant the hellebores. Okay, so I think I just kind of cut. Maybe I just put it down here. I can show you. Maybe just untwist it. You will see on the tags here. But last year I just kind of mixed up all the variety, because I got too many. It's very keep track on them. It's not like the rose. Because the rose is blooming all the time, so I got so many variety of roses, but I always remember, or when they see the bloom, I always know that's what they are called. But for the hellebore, it only bloom once a year, and then it's very hard to remember which variety is where, which variety is where. Very healthy actually. So some of these I will plant them straight into the ground when I have a time, and the rest I will pot them up in the bigger container, and after I will find rooms in the garden, of course, to plant them. So they normally, when your plants arrive, they recommend to water your plants or soak your plant in the seaweed solution and give them very deep soak. But these hellebores, they look very healthy, so I don't think I need to water them in seaweed solution, and I'm not going to soak them either. Alright, let's look at the catalog. So let me show you some of the variety I ordered. This one, I think this one I got last year already. This one I did not, but I ordered this one. Look at that, the price is not too bad. $12.50 for the double one. And some varieties, they only $10.50 for the double one as well. But normally the single one, maybe $8.50. Look at that, how beautiful they can be. Oh, I'm so excited in the future for my hellebores to bloom. And I think I ordered this one too. And this one, look at that. Oh, beautiful black color. I got the green one too. I don't think I ordered this one. And I got the pink one too. And this white too. Look at that. Not this year now actually. I don't think I remember all of them, but I think I did order this. Look at that, how beautiful they will be. And this one, and this one. So you can see it's not too bad for the price, but if you order a lot, or if you go to the garden center, you buy several varieties, that will add up a lot. Because the company just sent me the plant, they are just a small seedling plant, but normally at the nursery they sell quite a reasonable size already, and normally over $20 for one. And if you want a lot of different varieties, that will be a lot to add up in your budgets. Like this one, I think I got this one too. This white one and this one. I tend to order the different one that I can't buy from the other places. Like this green one is beautiful, and this beautiful one. I ordered this one actually. Look at the name mango. I don't think I go any a lot of detail of the plants or the type of flower because I just mostly I just want to show you the quick look of the catalogs. I got this one, and this one. And this one too, this one too, this one too. I might mixing up some of over here because I got a lot. And I think I got this one too. This very deep dark maroon color. And this one. I love this one too. Oh, I mean I got 3 own of this too. And this one and this one. I ordered a lot. Some of them I might mixing up with last year I ordered though. But you can see how beautiful they could be, and I'm so excited. Oh, by the way, it's a company I ordered this one, the post office farm in my area. They're very reliable company because I ordered them last year. They all very healthy, and I plan every single one of them, and all of them survive. They they bloom for me last year already, but most of them they did not, but definitely they will bloom for me this year. By the way, this is not sponsor company or for me to advertise for anything. I just thought that it's just nice. I want to show you. So if you want to order some hellebores, this company very good company, and they I think I got very good experience for them from them last year. So yeah, I highly recommended them. And here's some of the of the camellia that I bought on the trip to shopping as well. So I already have one of these for camellia for volunteer, and it really love the bloom. So I want another bush. So here's the see. Let me show you if I say much about this variety. So they can go to 2 meter tall, 1.5 meter wide, and then medium dense upright shrub. And normally camellia they like slightly acidic, so and they like part shade as well. They don't like to be in full sun. Some variety they can tolerate in full sun location though, but this type camellia they don't like to be in full sun in my experience. And here another one. This one is apple flower as well, and I really love the cream and yellows and very cheerful. And this variety is called brush shield. I think brush shields, not sure about my pronunciation. I do apologize for that. And this one they say it go kind in bush form, so it's not growing huge plants because you know that I don't have a lot of room to grow huge plant. So I already planted this one in the garden bed already, and this one I will keep in the container. And this one, it doesn't say much about how much it's going to grow though, but so I will treat them kind of the same. Like they like slightly acidic and of course well drained soil. Here they do recommend. And then add a lot of organic matters, and they prefer early morning sun or part shade, shelter from the hot afternoon sun and wind. Can be planted under the large trees or dense shades. Restrictions. This recommend not to put into the area too much of shade because that will reduce flowering. So yeah, I do know that camellia they like part sun, part shade, but if it's too dense, too much shade, they won't bloom well. And here's all the hellebores. They are in the basket for like this. I should put them here, so it's very easy for me to move them around until I have time to plant them. So I think that's it for video today. I hope that you all enjoy looking at the catalog of the hellebores company and showing you the newly plants that I just got them. And they look quite very healthy, and the plant very good size actually. Yeah. And I can't wait for them to establish and bloom for me next year. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.